this video, I will tell you how to fix Snapchat Buddy Pass not eligible. So, Snapchat Buddy Pass is one of the premium feature or Snapchat Plus feature. And if you're trying to send Buddy Pass to your friend and it shows Buddy Pass not eligible for friend, what it means is you have certain amount of Buddy Passes available, and if that is run out, then you will not be able to send it. One more thing is that you cannot send the Buddy Pass to one friend again and again. If you want to send Buddy Pass to same friend, you have to wait for 2 months. But you can send Buddy Pass if you have available to any other friends if you want to. And friends, that is how you can solve the problem of Snapchat Buddy Pass not eligible. Snapchat Plus subscription is not available in my region. That's why I could not demonstrate it perfectly. If you think this video was helpful, do tell us in the comment below. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.